Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see hidden following list on TikTok, and here's how it is done. Open the TikTok app, launch TikTok on your device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the following tab, this will display the accounts you are following. If the accounts you are following have private profiles, you will not be able to see their followers or following list unless you follow them back or they approve your follow request. If you want to check someone else's following list, go to their profile by tapping on their username. If their profile is public, you will see the following count. Tap on it to view the accounts they follow. If their account is private, you won't be able to see their following list unless they accept your follow request. Important notes: TikTok does not provide a direct way to see a hidden following list if their account has set their privacy to restrict visibility. Always respect others' users' privacy settings on the platform. That is everything you need to know about how to see hidden following lists on TikTok. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.